In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Big Cartel Store. Whether you're rebranding or just polishing your storefront, updating your store name in Big Cartel is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact path in the dashboard and share a few tips so your change looks clean and professional everywhere it appears. Start by opening your web browser and heading to bigcartel.com. On the homepage, click Log In. If your device already has your credentials saved, you may be taken straight into your dashboard without needing to enter anything. That's normal. Just let it load and you'll land on your admin home. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation menu there. Find and click Account. This is where all of your profile and store-level details live, including your store's display name. Inside the account area, you'll be on the Basic Info section. Locate the field that shows your current store name. Click into that field, highlight the existing text, and delete the old name. Now type your new name exactly how you want customers to see it. Pay attention to capitalization and spacing, and avoid unnecessary punctuation. A clear, concise name helps with recognition, and consistency across your branding makes a stronger impression. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. The page will refresh automatically. After it reloads, you should see your updated name reflected in the basic info field and often in the header or areas of the dashboard that display your store name. That's your confirmation that the change went through successfully. A couple of helpful pointers as you wrap up. Changing your store name here updates the display name within your Big Cartel account and in theme areas that reference it, but it does not change your web address or custom domain. If you use a subdomain or a custom URL, that's managed separately, so don't worry if the link to your store stays the same after this update. If you don't immediately see the new name on your live site, give the page a quick refresh or try viewing your storefront in a private or incognito window to bypass any caching. Finally, double check that your new name matches what's on your logo graphics, social profiles, and any marketing materials. Consistency will help your customers recognize you instantly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Big Cartel store name. Thanks for watching and happy selling.